Are you wondering whether Canva Pro is worth the cost or if you should just stick with the free version? In this video, we're breaking down the features, pros, and cons of both Canva Free and Canva Pro to help you decide if the upgrade's right for you. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Josh, and I'm here to help you make the best decisions about your tech, tools, and subscriptions. Today we're diving into Canva, one of the most popular design tools out there, and comparing the free version to the pro version to see if the upgrade's really worth it. We'll look at what you get with each plan, how they differ, and which one will give you the most bang for your buck. And don't forget, there's an exclusive offer for Canva Pro in the description below. Be sure to check it out. First up, let's take a look at Canva Free. Canva's free version gives you access to thousands of templates, photos, and graphics to create stunning designs. It's great for beginners, small businesses, and anyone who needs a simple tool to create social media graphics, flyers, or presentations. With the free plan, you can use over 250,000 templates and access hundreds of thousands of photos and graphics. You can also collaborate with others in real time, making it perfect for team projects. Now let's talk about Canva Pro. Canva Pro takes things to the next level with a range of features that can save you time and make your designs even more professional. With Pro, you get access to over 100 million premium photos, videos, and graphics, plus 610,000 plus templates that are updated daily. You also get advanced tools like the background remover, which makes it super easy to remove backgrounds from images with just one click, and the Magic Resize tool, which lets you instantly adjust your designs for different platforms. And remember, there's a special offer for Canva Pro linked in the description. Let's break down some of the key differences between Canva Free and Canva Pro. Asset library. Canva Free gives you access to a large library of assets, but Canva Pro expands that significantly, offering 100 million plus premium assets. If you need a wide variety of high-quality images, videos, and graphics, Pro is definitely worth considering. Background remover. This is one of the standout features of Canva Pro. Instead of spending hours trying to cut out backgrounds and other software, Canva Pro lets you do it in seconds with just one click. Magic Resize. With Canva Free, you have to manually resize your designs for each platform. Canva Pro's Magic Resize feature makes this process effortless, allowing you to resize your design for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and more with just a few clicks. Brand Kit. Canva Pro also includes a brand kit, which allows you to upload your brand colors, fonts, and logos, making it easy to maintain a consistent look across all your designs. This is a huge time saver for businesses that want to keep their branding consistent. So what about pricing? Canva Free, of course, is completely free to use. Canva Pro costs you around $12.99 per month if billed monthly, or $119.99 per year if you choose the annual plan. If you're someone who designs a lot, whether for business or personal use, the value you get from Canva Pro can easily outweigh the cost, especially with features like the background remover and Magic Resize that save time and effort. And if you're interested, there's a link in the description with an exclusive offer just for my viewers. So who should upgrade to Canva Pro? If you're a content creator, small business owner, or social media manager who needs high-quality visuals regularly, Canva Pro can be a game changer. The extra features, premium assets, and tools like the Brand Kit and Magic Resize make it worth the investment. On the other hand, if you're just using Canva occasionally for personal projects, the free version might be all you need. To sum it up, Canva Free is an amazing tool for creating beautiful designs without spending a penny. But if you're looking for more advanced features, a wider asset library, and tools that'll save you time, then Canva Pro is definitely worth considering. Whether you're a casual user or a professional designer, Canva has something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on how to get the most out of your tech and subscriptions. And let me know in the comments, are you using Canva Free or Canva Pro? Which features do you find most useful? And remember, there's a special link in the description for an exclusive Canva Pro offer. Check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.